Yes.
You cannot. It's a very strong statement. Ati uria doi.
Ni
ndariganĩirwo. Eni. Nakwambia. Aikia mundu. No riu thina ni ati you see.
You might forget, she doesn't forget.
No, kaingĩ no tuigara andu menda guikara magicuthagia especially arume. Kurora kiu ariganĩirwo kĩgĩikaire atĩa na kĩhana atĩa. Kĩrĩ o muoyo.
Kira uya. Kana nake woka arenda guka na njira ciake cia uri arekaga maundu no cia arenda riu kuturisire mwikage hamwe.
Na uga thina ni atiri kwina maundu ma by the way ni kuri andu monaga maroka thiini wa kihiko tari guikarania. Kihiko ti guikarania by the way, it is more than that.
Yes.
Tondu guikarania is cohabiting.
Yes.
Kana itagwo room sharing kana roommate na kiundu kia muthemba ucio. Kuni guikarania. Kihiko is demanding.
Yes. Itagwo marriage.
Na gitiendaga itheru. Ante mundu uyu riu nwenda kumu incorporate into your way of doing things.
Yes.
Into your thinking. Thiini wa mitaratara yaku no nginya akorwo eho
na decision making.
Thiini wa decisions ciaku, thiini wa future yaku rucio rwaku no ri ogokira. Na mari ogeka. He is included or she is included.
Yes.
Kwa andu na guko meragwo hikania i. Twaikara no ikara muno yo taikanite. Ni ndingikwira oguo.
Ate kihiko gitire formula watonya kuo. Tonya kuo ora oginyane.
Ni ngeragia advice tari guko ni mundu ta muthoni. Muthoni ona ni ona ndimwiraga. Ndimwiraga ri akairetu ogia kiro. No koro mukuhikia eho. No ndenda mundu hana na kiro icio wina cio. No eho we eho. Mundu waku eho. No ndangikuona riu ni undu wa kiro.
Yes.
Gia kiro. Rwanyita. No ti ngwire ati uthi ukahike.
Asa.
Thamba we thondeke. Eni. We thondeke ona ndigetha ogie nginya value. Mundu athia ukuona uguo no korora ingirora uguo especially arume na iretu ni mokorora nduru muno. Mundu araguthima uguo akarora value yaku. Okorwo ni ta muthoni agakira akona riu ona ni ari gutaragira okira kwa ina kilo 49. Uguo riu hana
ni nie
Is this me? Is this me?
Ina mauko akwa.
Tothio kinyaga kanyaga niki urauga. Ni kazi yangu bwana hata.
Orete 70.
Hata wazazi wako alikuwa ameshindwa.
Kuka kambiria kunyara.
Tazia yangu mara metolo kwa kilo.
Jenera wakwa riu.
No kitoja thiini wa relationship we na value. We na value. You be valued.
Yes.
Wina value you be valued.
Wina kindu giaku nawe kiria uratonyia kihiko-ini kiu.
Exactly.
Yes.
Tondu ni kuri by the way ni kuri athuri mateithikite ni undu wa atumia ao. Kwina anake mateithikite ni undu wa atumia ao. Tondu muhiki ucio by the way ni muhingori wa njira. Na mutemi njira weru-ini
ni okire ena value thiini wa muturire ongereire value.
Akongerera value. Thiini wa your life. Ni kuri arume nao matonyete magatonyia value. Thiini wa your life. No nginya mutwarane uu. Oko uguo by the way.
Uthakara ti kuiganu.
You are going to suffer. I'm telling you, you are going to suffer. You are going to suffer. That is not enough. You are going to suffer. And eventually you are going to start insulting the institution of marriage.
Yes.
Ona guo gwika. Akwa aitu mahana uguo ni undu wa andu aria twi nao. Mundu akikira tu akumburire.
Yes. Uri ahanaga.
Wewe mundu akora imagine kwanza wakati nilikuona by the way mimi hata there was nothing.
Ngiguirio no by the wari tu murata like any other person.
Mimi you are just like any other person. Ni tondu ndwakinyitie kiro. Ahana muthoni. Akinyia kiro ri. Na kwa ke by the way na kamuthuru wake ari oho. No ndi akiritie kiro.
Yes. Akona riu uyu riu ndio ringika areka renge. Ketiga tu no how to.
Your husband is there but
yes, when you look at the
akiritie kiro
the body mass.
Eta go be what? BPM with the BPM guy that what? Jabuiho.
About the mass yakona.
Work for yourself first. Work for yourself first. Mtu asikuja hapo ati agada gwikira kacathira kacaikũrũkire. Mworio naye wari no hoti wa kwĩkĩra. No rĩu thĩna ũrĩa twĩ naguo nĩ atĩ namba nene nawe rĩrenda gũtonya thĩinĩ wa kĩhiko nĩ kũrĩa ĩrakorwo yũrĩte. It is running away from something.
Kwĩrugĩra, kũhũra nguo, gũikara loneliness.
It is running away from something.
Tiete nĩ institution ĩyo arenda kũingĩra.
Ĩgoke gatamũrwo. Nĩ kĩhiko.
Ũrĩa ũreciragia atĩ mũndũ ũcio ũreciragia gũka tondũ we ũranogetio nĩ kwĩrugagĩra na kũrĩa mĩkawa.
Ũngĩkira wega ũkire piũrĩ. Ukira ukorwo he handu hatari inegene ri ungikigua jamio cia kihiko shwa shwa nabu
iko-ine tondu kuu ni mbara theri
mbara ikoragwo i physical okorwo ti physical ni emotional okorwo ti emotional ni psychological ihũranagwo rĩu kũu throughout and they are winners they are winners and losers
and losers, big time losers.
And quitters. You wouldn't call them losers. They are quitters. No, mondo ategerete ihenya uguo. Mutengere ihenya ni macindano. Ranyita. Rĩgũthiagwo mita cigana?
800 meters.
800 meters. Athie mita magana mana umire. Ucio ni kwita.
No ari guthie magana mana.
Ora guthie magana mana.
No arigie.
Oke namba inya ri. Ucio ni loser. Keiko gikoragwo uguo.
Lekore kwita, loser. Na lekore winner. No le ari oru pio ni acio quitters.
Quitters.
Yes.
But I commend them. I commend them.
Yes.
There is no need for waiting to lose. Quit. Why waste your time?
No.
Why waste your time?
Try.
Knowing that you are going to lose. Quit.
Try and
quit it. Yes. And you come and you are going to be given HSC.
Yes, now take as motivational speaker na gukuja.
Exactly.
You go to YouTube channel.
Yeah, well, kwena ndo marava atiriri. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. I would rather quit than lose. When it comes to marriage, in the context of marriage, I would rather quit than lose. Yes. Marriage is for winners. There is no space for losers.
But it's a struggle. So
there is no space for losers. It is two-way. It is either you are quitting or you are winning. Atire wagatagati okatorenda gwikira.
Ale komereria ku lose.
Oromereria thutha wa miaka 15 niguo ara lose. Quit at the fourth age, third year. Quit.
What you expect to go win because the other day? If you expect your running to win, then you're very disappointed.
Why are you getting into something that you know that you can't win? Why are you getting into it in the first place?
There is no manual.
No. Keiko kuingirwo ni mundu ramenya atiriri ni kaende
Kabali
ku finish kumaro ucio no aguo kuingira keiko-ini ndakura kone ndi moga ndi matare utire kenge gakua kana igua ati andu ni giaka ati
na aingi matigeka kiambiriria
ni mekwambia
ari ungiariria
ni mekwambia tondu wa riri marambia with the right information na kumera atiriri kindu kia mbere okorwo ni uramenya you are going to quit kana you are going to lose.
Yes,
quit.
That is it. Yes, don't get into that competition.
Exactly.
Yes.
Na gutire na gacoka kame gutire mundu kugiretie kugeria kihiko maita 8 kugataga teire guo kiagiragira kia sama kagira
ukageria
athugu makigeragia nginya ukaigua mundu athugu matiendaga itherũ ũguo wena mĩaka na ithera raikirie mũtumia wa mĩaka 60 no kaigua andũ makĩrana kaĩ nĩ ahikia gacungwa era naite araikaria na 60
aitũ nete mũthenya ũngĩ ndĩ nĩ gĩtoka kĩrĩkũ kĩrahikirie kairĩtu gaka ka mĩaka 30 aka 20k. Yes.
You see, Kurus is not supposed to be there. And there is no gospel in a marriage. Asa, it is either you quit or you win.
Yes.
there is no need of losing after ukoro within wa iko miaka 15. That's where you are losing it.
Yes, you
How?
say akiuga I tried but ilikata.
And then the devil must be your dear friend. He's a liar. He's a liar. For the year, you quit.
Yes.
Ndakwira mundu uria umaga mambiririe ihenya uguo 800 meters. Wanyita? Mathi 400 akauma nja wa kiharo. No uria ukaga namba 4. Wanyita? Ko ni kuheana go iheo keheo ni giki
Gemwe.
Then why struggle? Why struggle? No, it is not for the heart. It's okay.
For faint-hearted.
Faint-hearted. It is not. It is not. It is not.
It's a lot of struggle.
Let me tell you. You should even tell your children. Tell them, do not get into these things unless you know that you are going to win.
Very important.
As you know that you are going to win. Don't get. In fact, the Bible does not say that you won't see heaven because you never married. It even encourages not getting married. Tondu andu aingi makona Saitani
Na maitho.
ti undu matiarega
Aza.
ni undu ni mahikanirie tu oguo tu.
Yes.
Tondu you see wina mutumia ri bauma nja ya kihiko ituikaga ndoro tari
Na riu ni rihia.
na Ngai ndiathuire we guku nja we wi
Multiple partner.
we motivational speaker.
Utara mutumia wetu.
I will tell you, it's not for the faint-hearted.
No, it is not.
I'm telling you.